Fleetwood Bounder M-32H for sale in Watts, Oklahoma. 74,964. Get ready to make the most of this camping season with this 2002 Fleetwood Bounder M-32H. This Class A RV is powered by a strong Ford engine that is paired with automatic transmission and a Workhorse chassis. It features a spacious floor plan that is equipped with one slide-out and sleeping accommodations for up to 6 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this Fleetwood comes with plenty of storage space both inside and out, which means that you can truly have that home-away-from-home experience you've been craving. This 2002 Fleetwood Bounder M-32H is a dream come true for anyone looking to maximize their traveling efforts. It comes with a variety of features that provide exceptional comfort and convenience over the road. Highlights of these advantages include AC and heat, 10-gallon water heater, AM/FM/cassette, StereoMulti, CD player, TV antenna with booster, 5 kW gas generator, hydraulic manual leveling system, cruise control, LPG gas/smoke detector, power mirrors with DefrostPower Roof Vent with Rain SensorRear Vision Camera with MonitorSkylightTilt, WheelTrailer, Hitch and more. This 2002 Fleetwood Bounder M-32H has been very well maintained, which has enabled its great condition. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to make all your traveling dreams come true at an affordable price. This Fleetwood Bounder is priced to sell, so call today for more information on how you can hit the road with this impressive Class A Fleetwood.